Hello everyone, so welcome to Department Diaries How To. In this video we'll be talking about something that's pretty different from our previous video where we talked about accents, identity, and music. In this video, we'll be talking about something that actually appeals to students such as myself. We'll be talking about the final exams and tips on how to prepare for those final exams since it is the end of the semester. I suppose that the reason you're on this video is because you've been searching for videos like how to study one semester in 1 hour. So you probably haven't been studying at all up until now, so I can say that you are in it pretty deep, my friend. In the next part of this video, my non-procrastinating friends will be telling you some tips on how to prepare for your final exams. Let's take a look at what my colleagues will suggest.
So first thing you should do is create organized and productive study space. In order to be able to focus more on our studying is to create a study space which is first of all organized and also making us productive. We should try to separate our gaming or movie watching atmosphere from our study environment. Second thing to do is to write down things that distract you. So we will remember all unimportant things that we haven't done at the moment we start studying. An effective way to get rid of those thoughts is to write them down and to finish them later. By doing this, we will trick our brain that everything is fine and that those weird, unimportant things will eventually be done afterwards.
Explain your answers to others. Parents and little brothers and sisters don't have to be annoying around exam time. Use them to your advantage. Explain an answer to a question to them. That will help you to get it clear in your head and also to highlight any areas you need more work. Take regular breaks. While you may think it's best to study for as many hours as possible, this can actually be counterproductive. If you were training for a marathon, you wouldn't try and run 24 hours a day. Likewise, studies have shown that for long-term retention of knowledge, taking regular breaks really helps.
Take an animal therapy break. There's absolutely nothing like a wagging tail and a sloppy wet dog kiss to make you forget your worries. Or if you're not a dog person, a cute little kitten. Or maybe a hedgehog, if you're a hedgehog kind of person. If you don't have a cat or dog, try going to a pet store that lets you interact with the animals or ask a friend or a neighbor if you can take their dog for a walk. Let the cuteness overload melt away your little heart and you'll be recharged and ready to hit the books. Cute videos of animals also help.
Get hypnotized. Okay, so now I'm legit sounding crazy, but according to hypnosis experts, this can actually help. How exactly? Hypnosis allows your conscious and subconscious mind to work together, making it possible to retain information much faster than normal. Experts say that you can use the power of positive affirmation in the same way. So repeat after me. I am focused and thinking clearly. I am a successful student. I have the power to remember what I studied. And repeat again.
Follow the chain with your eyes, okay? You are feeling very, very tired. Your eyelids are heavy.
Just go a tad slower, please.
Of course.
Thanks.
When I snap my fingers, you're gonna be in a deep sleep. Okay?
Mm-hmm. The last time I slept as well was in the womb.
Do not underestimate the power of food. Food is your fuel. Cook a delicious meal as a study break and use cooking and eating as a way to relax. It will help you focus, channel your energy, and ultimately give you the fuel power you need to prepare for that exam. Studies have also shown that healthy food is better than junk food when studying, so avoid the burger and fries and opt for something healthy and delicious. Plus, unhealthy food can drain you after some time and you'll be left off with sleepiness, which is the absolute worst when it comes to finals.
No all-nighters. Chances are you have pulled one or two of these over the past few months, but honestly, cramming is the worst thing you can do before an exam. Not only are you stressing about learning an entire semester worth of knowledge in a few hours, but most likely you're going to forget what you've learned and miss out on sleep, which is essential before writing a final. The part of our brains that deals with memory is more active when we sleep, so even if you spent all night cramming information into your head, chances are you won't remember any of it anyways. Insufficient sleep also messes with concentration and your ability to make decisions, meaning you won't be focused for that final. Take my advice and get plenty of sleep before you write the test.
Visit office hours before the semester ends. Professors and teaching assistants tell you can stop by any time to chat or ask a question. Take the time and write down every question you have and just ask the professor. Form a study group, in real life or online, because it's very beneficial. Why waste time finding the answers to all the study guide questions when you can just split that work up into pieces amongst yourselves? Save time by looking at the chapter summary. Let's be honest for a moment. 99% of us don't open the book until it's exam time, which means nobody has time to catch up on all that reading. Focus on the points mentioned here. If it was important enough to be mentioned in the synopsis, chances are there will be a question on it.
Okay, so guys, what you need to do to stop yourself from procrastinating already is like make some friends. When I went to college for the first day, I really wanted to make a friend because like I am not responsible enough to do this on my own. So like, here she is.
Hi.
This is her. Like whenever I don't do something, which is most of the time, she just reminds me that like I'm supposed to hand this in, I'm supposed to do this that way. She hands my papers in for me. She's good. So, yeah. And yeah, make some friends and like help yourselves.
So we hope that some of our tips might help you in your conquest to achieve better results. And of course, we wish you all the luck in the world on your final exams. No cheating.